I don't know if y'all can hear that, but the birds got something going on in my hood, y'all. Listen. And the other ones, they calling the other ones, and they keep coming. There's probably going to be some more flying. Listen. Child, I'm nosy when I want to know what the birds got going on. I'm about to go handle my business. But I'm just amazed by all different species. Animal species, human species. What other species is it? Alien species. Listen. Y'all think the clowns over there in the woods, they done pecked the heck out of them? Or they calming down now? And look at that, we got some little birds that call themselves helping. Yeah, oh, they is acting crazy. Yeah, I'm acting like that. I'm walking closer. You know, we'll get killed first in the movie. Just so y'all can hear it. What you gonna do? You little. Hush. As long as they don't come running up out of the woods and attack me, we good. We need to clean this side up real bad. Child, I don't know what's going on. But I tell you what. It's a lot. Child, my hood. Now the birds gangsta in my hood. I don't even know, like, they was running up, a bunch of them. Like, flying all over the sky. I don't know. Could be some mating call. Could be them into something. I don't know. Who knows? But back to my regular schedule. I'm going back to my business. Let me lift up so you want to see my business. Deuces.